Good afternoon, students. This is your trigonometry online class part 13. Today I will prove the identities. Now I have solved many sums. You have to try on your own because you have to attend for your mathematics exam. So few types of sums I will discuss and other sums you have to do on your own. Now exercise 3.3. If sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1, then determine sin theta into cos theta. So from here, you remember that we know one formula, a plus b whole square. What is the formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Because over here, if we plus this, what we'll get? We'll get sine square plus cos square theta is equal to sin theta plus cos square whole theta is theta whole square is equal to 1. So what we are getting, sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 into sin theta into cos theta. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta as per identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So instead of writing sin square theta plus cos square theta, we will write 1 plus 2 into sin theta into cos theta, that is equal to 1. 2 sin theta into cos theta, we don't know what it is. Now we from here we shift the 1 to that side. 1 minus 1 will give you 0. So what we'll get? 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1 minus 1, or sin theta into cos theta. This 2 will come downstairs. So 0 minus 2. Anything divided by 0 divided by anything will give you 0 only. Next, if tan theta plus cos theta is equal to 2, let us determine the value of tan theta minus cot theta. Here the formula again is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. What is cot theta? Cot is 1 by tan theta. So instead of writing tan theta plus cos theta, we can write like this: tan theta plus 1 by tan theta. So from here you just cross multiply. You will get what? Tan square theta plus 1 by tan theta, LCM. We are doing what? We are LCM. That is equal to given 2. So tan square theta plus 1 is equal to 2 tan theta. This tan theta will go over here. Tan square theta plus 1 plus 2 tan square theta. So here we are squaring. Squaring formula gives you what? Tan square theta plus 1. If you square, what you will get? Tan square theta plus 1 square plus 2 into tan theta into 1. That will give you tan square theta plus 1 plus 2 into tan theta, that is equal to this tan theta over here will multiply over here, you will get 2 tan theta. So 2 tan theta cancels and you get tan square theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Now then tan square theta plus 1 is equal to 0, then tan theta is equal to minus 1. So then what is tan theta? The root over of 1, 1. Then what is cot theta? 1 by tan theta, 1 by 1, that is equal to 1. Now putting the values of tan theta and cot theta. Tan theta minus cot theta is 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. Now I am coming with some more applications. Now another application, if sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 2, find sec theta minus tan theta. We know a formula, a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A plus b and a minus b. Similarly, we'll write like this. We know from the identities proof that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So if we put like this, sec square theta minus tan square theta means a square minus b square is equal to 1. So what is a plus b, a minus b? That is sec theta plus tan theta bracket and sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. We know sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 2. So instead of writing sec theta plus tan theta, we will write 2 into sec theta minus tan theta. So what is this? Now sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, we know. So sec theta plus tan theta is equal to, so a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta, that is equal to 1. Sec theta plus tan theta is 2. And what is this? Sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. So instead of sec theta plus tan theta, we can write from here sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 2. So this 2 we will put over here. What will get? Sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. So what is sec theta minus tan theta? So this 2 will go down. Since it is a multiplication, it will go down. So what it will be, sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by 2. If cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to root 2 minus 1, find cosec theta plus cot theta. Again the same formula, a minus b, a square minus b square, that is a plus b, a minus b. We know cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So we will write like that instead of cosec a square minus b square, that is a plus b, a minus b. So cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. We know cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to root 2 by 1. So instead of cosec theta minus cot theta, we can write root 2 by 1. So then what is cosec theta plus cos theta? Cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to 1 divided by root 2 by 1. This is the answer. Alright. Next, coming with next application. Another application. If sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 7 by 13, find sin theta plus cos theta. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now we square both sides. What will get? Sin theta minus cos square whole square is equal to 7 by 13 whole square. We are squaring both sides. If we square sin theta minus cos theta, what will get? Sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta into cos theta. That is equal to, if we square 7 and 13, what will get? 49 by 169. So 1 minus. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We know that. So 1 minus 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to 149 by 169. So this minus, look like that, minus 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to 49 by 69. This one will be transported to that side. It from plus 1 it will become minus 1. So 49 by 169 minus 1. LCM it. LCM will get, the denominator will be 169. 49 minus 169, that is equal to minus 120 by 169. So minus gets cancelled. Minus gets cancelled and we get sin theta into cos theta is equal to how much? 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to 120 by 169. Sin theta into cos theta is 120 by 169 divided by half. So you will get 60 by 169. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta. Where we have to land? From plus to minus. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now we know sin square theta plus cos square whole square theta is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 60 by 169 into 2, that will give you 120. 1 plus 2 into 60 by 169, that will give you, if you LCM it, 169 plus 120 by 169, that is equal to 289 divided by 169. So sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to 289 by 169. So if we just square it, if we just square root it, what will get? The squaring both side again will get, here it will get square root, and here what will get? We will just, this root will, square will remove and we will get sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root over 289 by 169, that is 17 by 13. That is your answer. Alright. And now last but not least application. Now my next application, if sin theta into cos theta, dot means into cos theta is half, find sin theta plus cos theta. Now if we square sin theta plus cos theta, square it, what will get? Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 into sin theta cos theta. We know by the identities rule, sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin square theta plus cos square theta over here, sin square theta plus cos square theta, that instead of writing that we can write 1 plus 2 into sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta it is given. Sin theta into cos theta is half. So 2 into half cancels, it gets 1. So 1 plus 1 it's 2. So LHS, this side, what it is given? It is given that we know sin theta plus cos square whole square. Sin theta plus cos square, cos theta whole square is equal to 2. So just you induce root to that side and this square gets removed. So squaring both sides, what will get? Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root over 2. This is your answer. Now today's classwork. Children, you have to try this small sums on your own. Otherwise, you won't pass. There are very not tricky sums, but based on a plus b whole square formula or a square plus a square minus b square formula. You have to just induce the formula and do the sums. So today your classwork is exercise 23.3, sum number 3, 7 to 14. Any queries, contact me in this number 9875441516. Thank you.